The ACCSEAS project supports improved maritime access to the North Sea region through minimising navigational risk. The services developed in the ACCSEAS project have been tested in simulators, at focus group interviews and in real life. One of the final live trials was conducted on board the P&O ferry, the Pride of Hull, and at VTS Humber during a normal arrival to Humber. The services tested included tactical exchange and route suggestion, which allows a more harmonised way of communicating routes between vessels and VTS. Maritime safety information or notices to mariners, allowing timely and relevant information to be shared with mariners on e-navigation prototype displays. The no-go area service, enabling mariners to request dynamic depth information for an area. All communication between e-navigation prototype displays and shore service was obtained utilising the Maritime Cloud. The Maritime Cloud is a means to communicate between ship and shore in a harmonised and secure way. It provides the framework on which services can be built and ensures that they are made available to all authorised users. The ACCSEAS demonstrations trialled a fully functional Maritime Cloud on board a ship for the very first time.
VTS Humber, Pride of Hull. Morning, sir. Pride of Hull. VTS Spoon Light Float 5:20 this morning.
Pride of Hull, VTS 0520, that's all received, thank you. Can I just get you to confirm your maximum traffic and your master speed?
Draft is 5.8 and PC number is 472.
PC 472 and draft 5.8. That's all received, thank you.
In Scenario 1, the Pride of Hull planned to use the southern approach channel Rossy Reach. Due to oil spill cleaning operations in Rossy Reach, an MSI NM navigational warning was issued and appeared on e-navigation prototype displays.
Pride of Hull, VTS Humber, for ACCSEAS test. We have an oil spill in the outer sea reaches and a clean operation is in progress. I'm going to send you a new recommended inbound route, over.
Yeah, VTS Humber, the Pride of Hull, that's understood. You will send us a new recommended route. Thank you.
Humber VTS suggested the Pride of Hull change their route to the Sea Reach channel by voice, supported by a route suggestion received automatically and presented graphically on the vessel's e-navigation prototype display.
Pride of Hull, VTS Humber, good morning. I acknowledge you have accepted the new intended route and that you now intend to enter via the Sea Reach for ACCSEAS exercise. And navigation information, the Bull White Float is currently unlit, over.
Bull White Float is unlit, that's understood, thank you.
In Scenario 2, the Pride of Hull planned to sail via the sunk dredge channel, but due to a large outbound vessel, Humber VTS suggested the Pride of Hull change their route to the main channel.
VTS Humber, Pride of Hull. Yeah, good morning. The Pride of Hull for the ACCSEAS project. We are approaching the Spoon Light Float now. We would like to make use of the sunk dredge channel this morning.
The sunk dredge channel is not available as an outbound vessel in the sunk dredge channel. Therefore, I will send you a new recommended route.
Yeah, I can see it on the screen now. Thank you.
Pride of Hull, VTS Humber, good morning. As part of the ACCSEAS exercise, I have sent you a new recommended route.
Good morning, sir. This is the Pride of Hull. We have received the new route and implemented it. We're taking the main channel now.
Depth information for Pride of Hull's draft was checked both by VTS and on board before suggesting and accepting the new route. In Scenario 3, due to congestion at Immingham Docks, VTS Humber suggested that the Pride of Hull take a new route.
VTS Humber, Pride of Hull for the ACCSEAS project.
Pride of Hull, VTS Humber, the ACCSEAS project.
Yeah, good morning, sir. Just past the sunk spit. Would like to take the main channel today.
Pride of Hull, VTS Humber, that's all received, thank you. Traffic information, there is heavy
Traffic intensity in the Immingham area, therefore I'm going to
send you a new recommended route, over.
A new recommended route, yeah. Could we have the Immingham tide gauge, please?
Yes, so the Immingham gauge 4.85.
485, thank you.
Again, depth information for Pride of Hull's draft was checked both by VTS and on board before suggesting and accepting the new route.
Pride of Hull VTS number for the ACCSEAS project. I have sent your new recommended route.
You have sent us the new recommended route. Yeah, I see it on the screen now. Thank you. We will implement it. Thank you. So that's the new route activated, going through the 4-home channel now on advice of the VTS. I'm happy with that.
At the end of the demonstrations, the vessel's chief officer and the VTS operator were keen to share their experiences of the services on offer.
I found the software very useful and very easy to use, with the ability to be able to send messages at the same time as send new proposed routes due to safety and navigation. I think it enhances the ability to incorporate everything that you do as a VTS. I think once you're shown how to use it, it then just becomes like you were doing stuff on your own, no control, which we do at the moment. I think it's a very simple system to use.
Would it enhance the communication with the VTS? Yeah, for people who are unfamiliar with the ship, it will be a very nice option. So the route exchange is very nice to see. It's very easy to see it in one shot on the screen. See an optimized route on the screen, so you straight away know where you have to go. So I can imagine that a lot of users will have interest in a system like this. I used it this morning, I used it 10 minutes and I understand how the system works. It's very user-friendly.